Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily copy the captions of any TikTok video. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and you have subscribed to my channel, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, open up the TikTok application. And for example, I want to copy the caption of this video. First, you will have to click on more, and then you will have to take a screenshot of this video. Once you have taken the screenshot, go back and go to photos and click on that specific screenshot. Now once you are here, you can see the whole caption. All you have to do is to tap and hold on the caption, and you can easily copy the whole caption and click on copy. Now you can see the caption is being copied successfully. So that's how you can easily copy the caption of any TikTok video. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe.